today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Today we're going to talk about the slowloris. It's the kind of the denial of service, okay? And the target today it's going to be my own device, my camera in my house, and we are going to make it disconnect from the server, okay, using the slowloris. I have searched the port with the nmap in the simple mode, and we can watch three opened ports here, okay. It's the http, the rtsp, it's to watch the video with the media player, and that another one. So let's open the in the 80 port and access the http and see what it brings to us. It's a post. Let's go to the repeater and send again. We can see to the HTTP server, it's sending to the TCP port, that one, and it didn't appear on the normal scan. So if we do the nmap again, but specify the port we have sent here, the TCP port, we can see that it's opened either, like you can see, and that means what? That means in the 80 port it's sending to the by the port, that number port, it's sending to the video to the app, okay. And I have on my own phone the IC. It's a program to access remotely the video on my house. So we have the local HTTP address and the port which we are going to attack. Okay, so with that attack we are interrupting the connection into the app, the mobile app. In my case I'm using the IC, so it's the app to watch my camera remotely, okay. And let's go. You need to download this slowloris. You can download it with the git clone of that channel, that GitHub, okay. It's kinda denial of service, but it does send data in very slow motion, and it never ends the communication into the HTTP side. And I'm using remotely my cell phone with the screen copy, okay. As you can see, it's running, it's live running, okay. Let's run the code. No need to install, import nothing. So it's the Python slowloris. We are attacking the port. We have Sol in the burp suite. It's the 34567. It's the port which it's making the connection to my device app to send the image online. Minutes S, it's the socket, and let's use that bunch of sockets. Which more sockets you're using, it's more to attack addresses, okay. And let's attack the target, that one, and attacking, and it already have stopped to run, as you can see, because the attacking, it's making the slow communication with that IP address. So if I interrupt it, and that will be returned. You can see there is it. That's the slow loris attacking the camera in the house. Okay, uh, this is just for knowledge purpose. Okay, that's not intentional to make some malicious attack. So there is it, fellas. I hope you have enjoyed the time for now.